Here's what you'll need for this project. 1 yard of organic cotton knit ultra, Spoonflower's free downloadable Toddler Tee pattern, pins, scissors or a rotary blade, and a sewing machine. A serger is optional. If you don't have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch. Start by cutting out your pieces on the fold. You should have 1 front piece, 1 back piece, 2 sleeves, and 1 neckband, all cut on the fold. Lay out your shirt front and back, right sides facing, and sew the shoulder seams together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Now it's time to prepare the sleeves. If you're using a serger, all you have to do is serge the flat edge of the sleeve, fold in the fabric about 1/4 inch, and press. Then you can go ahead and stitch the hem. Match the top center of the sleeves curve to the seam at the shoulder. Match the top center of the sleeves to the shirt armhole with right sides facing. Stitch together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. The bottom of the sleeve will still be open at this point. I'm going to go ahead and serge the bottom of my shirt now to prep for the bottom hem. I'm doing it now since it's easier before the sides of the shirt are sewn together. Sew the side seams by pinning the shirt front and back pieces together with right sides facing all the way up through the sleeve openings. Sew from the sleeve opening to the bottom of the shirt using a 5/8 inch seam allowance. Prepare the neckband by folding the fabric in half lengthwise with right sides together. Sew the edge with a 5/8 inch seam allowance. Fold it widthwise with wrong sides together. To ensure your neckband lays flat, divide it into 4 even sections. Do the same with your t-shirt by finding the center of the front, center of the back, and shoulder seams. Pin the neckband and shirt body together, matching the 4 points. Sew the neckband to the right side of the fabric by starting in the center back and slightly stretching the neckband to fit into the t-shirt. There should be a perfect amount of stretch in between each pin. Hem the bottom of the shirt by folding the unfinished edge in about 1/4 inch and again another 1/4 inch. As I mentioned before, I've already serged the edges of the bottom of my hem, so all I have to do is fold it up once, iron it in place, and then stitch it around in place. And just like that, you're done! It's time to gift this adorable tee to an adorable toddler.